Hey beauties! Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we uncover the real truths behind the products you're curious about. Today we're exploring a foundation that's making waves in the airbrush makeup world, the perfect Canvas Hydra Lock Airbrush Foundation. It promises instant coverage, water and transfer resistance, and a brush-free application designed specifically for the Temptu Air device. With 20 shades to suit every skin tone, this foundation aims to give your complexion a flawless, youthful finish. So here's the breakdown. This foundation is formulated to conceal pores, fine lines, blemishes, and uneven skin tone, all while offering semi-matte, long-lasting coverage. The key is that it's designed for airbrush application, meaning no brushes, no sponges, just a sleek, even layer that should glide onto your skin with minimal effort. The formula also touts skin purifying and age-defying benefits, which, for those of us who love multifunctional makeup, sounds promising. In testing this out, I incorporated it into both my morning routine and a full evening glam look. Right off the bat, the ease of use stood out. Once paired with the Temptu device, the foundation applied evenly and built coverage without looking cakey. It feels lightweight on the skin, yet it covers redness and minor imperfections effectively. One thing I noticed is that the semi-matte finish really helps in controlling shine without making my skin look flat or dry, which is impressive for an airbrush formula. That said, perfect blending depends on consistent, even spraying, so a little practice is needed for application. On the plus side, I love how fast it applies, the extensive shade range, and the longevity. It genuinely lasts through a long day without significant fading or transferring. On the downside, because it's designed exclusively for the Temptu device, it's not ideal if you're looking for a foundation you can apply with your fingers or a brush. Also, the price point is on the higher side, which may be a consideration for those on a tighter budget. Speaking of value, while it's definitely an investment, the quality of the formula, the convenience of airbrush application, and the long wear make it worth it if you're looking for a professional, camera-ready finish. If you're seeking alternatives at a lower price, some traditional liquid foundations can provide comparable coverage and finish, though they won't replicate the airbrush effect. The packaging feels sturdy and professional, which matches the premium feel of the product. Since it's liquid in an airbrush reservoir, there's minimal waste and it stays hygienic, no double-dipping brushes required. I haven't interacted with customer service personally, but the brand is known for reliable support should any issues arise. If you're someone who loves high-performance makeup and enjoys that perfected, photo-ready complexion without fuss, this foundation will likely become a staple. For those new to airbrush devices, it might take a few tries to get your technique right, but the results are worth the learning curve. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. All in all, Perfect Canvas Hydra Lock Airbrush Foundation delivers what it promises: coverage, longevity, and a flawless finish with a touch of luxury. If you've tried it, drop a comment below and share your thoughts. I'd love to hear your experiences. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.